Today we're going to show you how to make some soft, thick and chewy flapjacks.
These easy flapjacks only consist of 4 ingredients, and once they're combined, it makes the perfect snack.
The first step is to line your tin. Cut your parchment bigger than the tin you're using. The tin we're using is 8 inches square and it's a loose bottomed cake tin. You could use a 9-inch round tin for a similar result, or use a longer tin, but bear in mind they will be thinner. Cut away the corners, as you can see me doing here, and this will help to line the tin easily. Fold them all into the centre, pop it back into the tin and pull the sides back up. This will line the tin perfectly. This is an optional step, but I like to use the Wilton bake even strips. They help keep the sides of the tin cool to prevent it cooking quicker on the outside. Preheat your oven to 180 Celsius, 160 fan, gas mark 4 or 350 Fahrenheit. Okay, let's prepare the mix. Place 250 grams of butter with 200 grams of light brown sugar and 5 tablespoons of golden syrup into a pan. You could use honey, agave syrup or maple syrup instead. Melt all these ingredients together over a low heat. It's important that you do not allow the mixture to boil. I'm going to skip forward here to make this video a little bit quicker, but you're just melting them all together. That's perfectly melted. It's now time to add your oats. Use 350 grams, and you can use instant or quick rolled oats for a nice soft texture, or try using jumbo rolled oats if you're rather a chewy texture. Stir the oats in until it forms a nice thick sticky mixture. Pop the mixture into the tin that you prepared and lined earlier. Use the back of a spatula to push down until nice and flat. Bake in your preheated oven at 180 Celsius, 160 Celsius fan, gas mark 4, 350 Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes. So when you get your flapjack out of the oven, it's normal for it to still be soft. It will firm up as it cools down. Allow at least 20 minutes for it to cool in the tin. It's best to remove from the tin at this point. It will still be soft, and then place in the fridge for at least 1 hour. Okay, this one's all set and ready to remove the paper. Okay, that's nice and firm and ready to cut. For this video, I'm cutting it into squares, so I'm cutting it into quarters one way and quarters again, but as can be seen at the top picture there, you can just cut it in half and then quarters for longer bars.
There we have it. Easy flapjacks. Perfect 4 ingredients, but the snack is amazing. Nice and buttery, lovely and sweet.
Time to stop talking and eat.
Let's eat. Nice food. Oh yeah,
lovely.
That syrup's lovely. Tasty.
Don't forget, if you want to see more of our recipes, which we have plenty more to come,
Oh yes.
subscribe.
Press the button below.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
Today we're going to show you
Sorry. Today we're going to show
how to beat your husband with flapjacks. Kill them with sugar. Today we're going to be showing you how to make some lovely, soft, chewy and thick flapjacks. They're just the way I like them. A bit like Luke.
Yeah, chewy.
Soft, chewy, thick.
Thick.
Yes, so about in all an hour of calling time. You're off in my hands.
Just flapping around like the tango man.
Okay,
I think it's only comes off.
I'm hot.
Oh god. Easy flapjacks. Only 4 ingredients, absolutely perfect. Lovely and buttery, perfectly sweet snack. All the kids absolutely love it.
Stop eating. Stop eating, I said.
Stop, oh, pain. Yeah, what thing to say.